Are you looking for a high-profit, low-maintenance business idea? Meet the Cafilas 4-in-1 espresso machine. A powerful 19-bar pressure coffee maker compatible with DG, Nespresso, K-cup, and powder capsules. This stainless steel powerhouse delivers rich, café-quality espresso in seconds. Ideal for food trucks, salons, kiosks, and even your home office. With just 20 cups a day, you could make over $1,500 per month. And that's just the beginning. Scale up at events or busy office spaces, and you're looking at potential earnings of $5,000 to $15,000 monthly. Don't miss out on this booming opportunity. Click the link below to grab yours today and start building your coffee business now.